At number 1, we have the Bendix Premium Ceramic Brake Pads. An excellent choice for drivers who want dependable OE quality braking performance without paying dealership prices. Designed as a direct replacement for factory brake pads, they provide an exact fit that allows for quick and hassle-free installation with no modifications required. Built with premium ceramic friction material, these brake pads deliver strong, consistent stopping power while significantly reducing brake fade during repeated braking. One of the biggest advantages of these pads is their exceptionally quiet operation. Advanced noise reduction technology helps eliminate squealing and vibrations for a smooth ride. The durable construction resists corrosion and wear. Rigorously tested to meet or exceed OEM specifications, Bendix brake pads provide reliable braking confidence in all weather conditions. Whether you're replacing worn factory pads or restoring your vehicle's original performance, Bendix Premium Ceramic Brake Pads offer durability, quiet performance, and dependable stopping power.
At number 2, we have the Bosch Blue Ceramic Brake Pads. Engineered with a platform-specific ceramic formula and multi-layer shims to deliver superior stopping power while reducing noise and vibration. Say goodbye to brake dust. Bosch Blue Ceramic Pads keep your wheels cleaner for longer. Built to last with rust-resistant coated steel backing plates for all-weather reliability. Everything you need is in the box, designed for a perfect fit on Hyundai Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, Azera, and Kia Optima, Sportage, Soul, and Ford. Premium braking performance and value for everyday drivers. Bosch Blue, the smart choice for your Kia or Hyundai.
At number 3, we have the Wagner Ceramic Disc Brake Pads, designed to restore original braking performance and provide reliability for everyday driving. Featuring premium ceramic materials for smooth, consistent stopping power and improved vehicle control. A precision-engineered friction formula, along with application-specific shims and slots, reduces squealing and vibration. Plus, a zero copper formulation means reduced brake dust and dependable durability. With an OE level fit, they're compatible with popular models like the Chrysler Sebring, Cirrus, and 200. Experience the combination of quiet operation, reliable stopping power, and long-term value. Wagner Ceramic Disc Brake Pads.
At number 4, we have the Saidu Brake Pads. The Saidu brake pads are a dependable OE-style replacement designed for drivers who want reliable braking performance at an affordable price. Manufactured to match factory specifications, these brake pads provide precise fitment for compatible Chevrolet Cruze, Cruze Limited, and Chevrolet Sonic models, making installation simple and straightforward. Each brake pad features an integrated vibration dampening gasket. This design effectively minimizes brake noise while providing smoother and quieter braking performance during daily driving. The slotted friction surface improves airflow and heat dissipation, helping reduce brake fade. Enhanced ventilation also improves braking consistency in wet weather, increasing overall driving safety. High-quality friction materials promote even wear across the brake pad surface, extending service life while protecting the brake rotors. This provides dependable stopping performance in all conditions. The Saidu brake pads deliver excellent value by combining quiet operation, reliable braking, long-lasting durability, and easy installation. Always confirm vehicle compatibility before ordering.
At number 5, we have the PowerStop Z26 Street Performance Brake Pads. Engineered for modern muscle cars and high-performance vehicles that demand superior stopping power. Featuring an advanced carbon fiber ceramic compound, they deliver exceptional performance with excellent fade resistance. Unlike many performance pads, the Z26 formula produces significantly less brake dust, keeping your wheels cleaner. Premium stainless steel shims provide better heat dissipation and insulate noise for virtually silent braking. Designed as a direct OE replacement, the kit includes premium hardware for a fast, convenient installation. PowerStop Z26 brake pads offer an outstanding combination of performance, durability, and reliability for the ultimate driving experience.